Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm making a farmhouse ladder to hang my stockings on this year. I wanted to do something a little more decorative and fun this year rather than just hang the stockings by the fireplace. So follow along with me from start to finish and watch how I created this look. These are my stockings that I'll be using this year. I incorporated small pops of red throughout my home within my Christmas decor, and these will be the last bit of red I add to finish off the look. I got these wooden tree ornaments from Walmart this year for only $1 each, and this is what I'm going to use to make my name tags out of for the stockings. And y'all, these turned out so cute.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day.
Before I add the stockings to the ladder, I'm going to add this garland to it that I got from Michael's a couple years ago. This extra touch of greenery is going to add so much to this look.
Oh yeah.
right, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this little Christmas DIY project. I love how cute it turned out, and it was so easy to do. It's going to be such a great little piece to add to my existing Christmas decor. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.